Okay, just a quick follow-up to collecting your evidence for people who are doing websites or documentaries. I just wanted to show you those two organizers. They're both called Project Plan. And we do ask that you plan things out before you just start. Obviously, putting your documentary together, that'd be crazy to skip that step, or even to build your website. So, the project plan for websites, I've updated it because there's a new source that they're using for building websites this year. That's called website.nhd.org. You do have to register, use your school email address, and if you're working with a partner, make sure it's a password that you don't mind them having. This planner is a way to like think things through before you start putting them on. And I don't think it makes any sense to actually paste photos in here like into these boxes as you would if you were doing an exhibit. Instead, this is sort of just planning out these are the things we're going to put on that page. That way, when it's time for you to meet with me, if you don't have everything on your website yet, you at least can show me your plan and I can tell you if it's going to work. Just to show you how the Web Central works, there are some steps in the guide, but when you first get to it, you have to start with this home and open manage page. And you're going to want to make pages for all the things that you need as a part of your project. So every project has a landing place, a home, a page with a thesis. Sometimes those are combined. You're going to show the context and build up. Those could be together. The heart of the story. Then there are other things that are required. So you can see there's a short and long-term impact. Your bibliography will eventually go on here. And I've also included some of the rules for you. So if you want to make a new page, so for example, I don't have any impact page yet, right? And so let's say I'm going to combine the two. Using this template will give you options. You can just start with basic. You could start with photo gallery. I'm going to go with basic. It's going to have a few pages on there. It's kind of annoying because we have to go open it now and impact to go to it. It's a little clunky, but it'll get us there. All right, so we should be on this page now. All right, impact is where I want to be. Okay, you can change any of the text to say what you want it to say. And this is where you'd paste in the text from your show and tell. So you put information there. You can drop photos here. The way you put photos in is you have to double click on the photo image and it'll offer you the chance to put in a photo that you've already uploaded. I have directions on how to upload. In the project plan, another way to do that is using the icon on the side. You could just drag image and drop it in and put a picture in place and move things around. So that's how that works. The project plan is something you need to make a copy of. You keep track of it. I am asking to see your plan. You probably will have started building your website by then, but by next Tuesday. So it looks kind of long, but that's because it's just giving you time to tell me what do you want to say in this page. And then on this side, what are the things you want to show me? All right, and then for project documentaries, for documentarians, same kind of idea, but the difference here is we're getting you to think about how much time you want to leave to do things, right? So your title page is on the screen for 15 minutes. What do you want it to say? What's the subtitle? So really read through it. It's got a lot of good information. The important thing to know is we give you a guide as to how many images you're going to need. If you're lingering on your thesis statement for 1 minute, look how many images you're showing in 1 minute. So make sure you're picking a topic that has a lot of visuals if you're doing a documentary, because no one wants to just look at a picture for a really long time while you tell them a lot of information. Sorry, like I do in these videos. So that's the plan. Either way, I need to see what you have done whenever I check in with you, which will be Monday or Tuesday. But definitely by Tuesday, you need to tell me what are you going to say and what are the things that you're collecting, especially because I'm going to be the person who's going to help you to figure out how to collect that stuff. Okay, if you have questions, make sure you email me. Thanks.